Tick-borne infections are expected to rise across the province. That's the message from Ontario's top doctor. And as of this weekend, a new regulation requires healthcare providers to report 3 types of tick-borne disease in addition to Lyme disease to their local medical officers of health.
The infections include something called anaplasmosis, babesiosis, and Powassan virus. These are 3 very, very rare infections in Canada.
And climate change is to blame for their spread, according to the province's medical officer of health. Dr. Kieran Moore says it is simply from the ability of these ticks that are now able to survive our winters and stay and breed over their 2-year life cycle. He adds a known wave of infections has been migrating up the coastline of northeast North America. But Torontonians we spoke to in High Park say this is the first they're hearing of these diseases.
I guess I haven't really researched. I'm not sure what ticks can do.
Infectious diseases specialist Dr. Isaac Bogosh explains, beginning with Powassan virus, most cases of which he says will go unidentified.
But it does have the potential to cause a very significant infection involving brain inflammation. Powassan virus is interesting, and in fact, it gets its name from the town of Powassan, Ontario.
That's where the virus was first identified following the death of a young boy from the disease. There is no specific treatment for Powassan virus, according to the Centers for Disease Control, but anaplasmosis and babesiosis can be treated with antibiotics for symptomatic cases. With those 2 diseases, patients may experience fever, muscle aches and pains, and headaches. The province says instances of infections will be added to a risk map to inform Ontarians where they become more prevalent, similar to the province's current Lyme disease map.
I hike a lot, so I need to start learning about it, but it is something I'm worried about because you can't really see them from what I know. So I just wear high socks when I go hiking and try to avoid long grass.
And that's in line with tick safety advice.
But this shouldn't stop us from enjoying the beauty of Canadian summers, right? We should be, I hope people go outside and enjoy, and it's just simple things like, do a tick check when you come back inside, or use insect repellent as well.
Now, experts say Lyme disease remains the most prevalent form of tick-borne illness across the country, with at least 2,100 cases reported last year, according to Health Canada. In High Park, Michelle Mackey, City News.